Here are some creative ideas for birthday. Scavenger hunt. Create a scavenger hunt for the birthday child and their friends. You can hide clues or small prizes around the house or yard, leading them to the ultimate prize. DIY craft party. Host a DIY craft party where kids can create their own party favors or decorations. You can provide the materials and instructions for a specific craft, or let them use their imaginations. Cooking party. Host a cooking party where the kids can make their own pizzas, decorate cupcakes, or create their own ice cream sundaes. This is a great way to get the kids involved and teach them basic cooking skills. Movie night. Set up a movie screen in the backyard or in the living room and host a movie night. You can provide snacks, popcorn, and blankets for the kids to snuggle up with. Outdoor adventure. Plan an outdoor adventure, like a hike or a trip to a local park. Bring along a picnic lunch and let the kids explore nature and play games. Game day. Host a game day party, where kids can play board games, card games, and video games. You can also have a tournament with prizes for the winners. Art party. Set up an art station where kids can paint, draw, or create their own masterpieces. You can also provide a canvas for each child and let them take their creations home as a party favor. Karaoke party. Set up a karaoke machine and let the kids sing their hearts out. You can provide props and costumes for them to use while performing. Remember to prioritize safety and follow local guidelines for gatherings and events. Have fun and happy birthday to your 10-year-old.